Hey, true, bet that up for the track. We gon' take it to the top, and that's the truth. Truth hurts.
Hey everyone! If you own a car, an OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool. It connects to your vehicle and quickly reads engine error codes, helping you detect problems early. This saves time and expensive mechanic visits. Easy to use and affordable, OBD2 scanners help you monitor your car's health and make smarter repair decisions before small issues become big problems. So, let's get started. Number 6 is XTOOL OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool. If you're looking for a reliable car diagnostic scanner, the XTOOL OBD2 Scanner Diagnostic Tool is now available with 24% off, bringing the price down to about $135. This wireless scanner offers lifetime free software updates with no subscription fees, making it perfect for home car owners and DIY mechanics. It supports vehicles from 1996 onward and works with 85+ car brands. The tool provides full bidirectional control, allowing you to test components like fuel pumps, windows, and A/C systems. With 26 reset functions, Bluetooth connectivity, and support for CANFD and FC Auto-Auth, it delivers powerful diagnostics in a compact, portable device. The next is number 5. ANCEL FX2000 Advanced OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner is a powerful, user-friendly diagnostic tool designed for car owners and professionals alike. With multi-system diagnostics, auto VI and technology, and support for 10,000+ vehicle models, this scanner makes troubleshooting vehicle issues simple and efficient. Key features: plug and play, easy to use. The ANCEL FX2000 requires just 3 simple steps to connect and diagnose your vehicle. Its intuitive interface allows even beginners to read and understand fault codes effortlessly. Additionally, the I Am Readiness feature helps determine if your car is ready for its annual inspection, saving both time and money. 5-in-1 Car Diagnostic Scanner. This comprehensive scan tool can diagnose problems in 5 critical vehicle systems: engine, transmission, ABS, SRS airbag, and check engine. It provides detailed DTC definitions and turns off warning lights after issues are resolved, giving users the confidence to perform DIY repairs. Fast and accurate diagnostics. The Auto VIN technology automatically detects vehicle information for compatible models, or users can manually enter details for diagnosis. The scanner offers live data display in graph format, data logging, and DTC tips, enabling quick analysis and detailed diagnostic reports that can be printed or shared. Wide vehicle compatibility. The FX2000 supports over 60 car brands and 10,000+ vehicle models, including US vehicles 1996+, EU vehicles 2002+, Asian vehicles 2008+, and Japan cars 2005+. It works on passenger cars, SUVs, minivans, and light-duty trucks, 12V, but does not support heavy trucks. With its comprehensive features and affordable price, the ANCEL FX2000 OBD2 scanner is a must-have tool for vehicle owners and mechanics looking to diagnose and fix problems efficiently. The next is number 4. FOXWELL NT624 Elite OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 scanner is a powerful, cost-effective diagnostic tool that helps car owners and professionals troubleshoot vehicle issues with ease. Offering comprehensive system diagnostics, professional reset functions, and Wi-Fi updates, this scanner is a must-have for maintaining your vehicle's performance. Key features: special offers and free gifts. Purchase the NT624 Elite and receive a free 1m/39-inch OBD2 extension cable to protect your scanner from wear and tear. Additionally, get 50% off the FOXWELL BT100 battery tester for advanced battery diagnostics. 2025 upgraded OBD2 scanner. The new Linux-based system allows faster data loading and supports Wi-Fi updates, eliminating the need for a laptop and complicated registration. This makes the scanner more efficient, user-friendly, and cost-effective. All system diagnostics. The NT624 Elite can scan all major vehicle systems, including engine, transmission, ABS, airbag, TPMS, steering, radio, suspension, HVAC, ESP, and B. It can read/clear codes, retrieve freeze frame data, and display live graph data, making it an essential tool for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. 8 Professional Reset Functions. This scanner offers ABS bleeding, SAS calibration, throttle matching, EPB/oil reset, injector coating, and BMS reset, helping users diagnose and fix problems efficiently. Avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic and save thousands of dollars on repairs. The FOXWELL NT624 Elite OBD2 scanner is a reliable, professional-grade tool that simplifies vehicle diagnostics and maintenance. Whether you're a car owner or a mechanic, this all-in-one scan tool is the perfect solution for keeping your vehicle in top shape. The next is Number 3. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro OBD2 Scanner. The OBD2 scanner is an advanced diagnostic tool that helps car owners and professionals troubleshoot vehicle issues effortlessly. This wireless, Bluetooth-enabled scanner provides in-depth insights into your vehicle's health, allowing you to read and clear trouble codes, monitor real-time data, and access professional repair reports. Key features: Pro OBD2 Scanner. BlueDriver offers professional-grade diagnostics, enabling users to scan and understand their vehicles like expert mechanics. Easily read and clear check engine light trouble codes. Read and clear all codes. Unlike basic scanners, BlueDriver provides access to ABS, airbag, SRS, and TPMS codes, along with standard OBD2 diagnostics. Live data and repair reports. Beyond a standard car code reader, BlueDriver delivers real-time health monitoring and unlimited repair reports with verified fixes, ensuring accurate troubleshooting. Wireless and Bluetooth-enabled. Say goodbye to tangled wires. BlueDriver connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone or tablet, offering the features of an expensive scan tool without the hassle. User-friendly app and repair videos. The BlueDriver app, iOS and Android, provides access to a vast database of repair videos, offering step-by-step instructions to help users fix issues efficiently. No subscription fees. A single purchase provides full access to all features, with no hidden fees or in-app add-ons. Wide vehicle compatibility. BlueDriver works with all gas-powered vehicles from 1996 onward, supporting advanced diagnostics for major brands like Ford, GM, Toyota, Nissan, BMW, Honda, and more. The BlueDriver OBD2 scanner is a must-have for car owners looking for an easy-to-use, wireless diagnostic tool with comprehensive scanning and repair guidance. The next is Number 2. Innova 5610 OBD2 Bidirectional Scanner. This bidirectional scanner is a powerful diagnostic tool designed to keep your vehicle running at peak performance. Whether you're a DIY car enthusiast or a professional mechanic, this scanner provides real-time troubleshooting and advanced functionality to diagnose and fix vehicle issues efficiently. Key features: peak performance and safety. The Innova 5610 helps you easily identify and resolve vehicle problems with real-time OBD2 and OEM live data, ensuring a smooth and safe driving experience. Professional-grade functionalities. Access the enhanced data stream to view live data for ABS, SRS, transmission, and engine. The special reset function allows dealership-level relearn procedures, making it an excellent choice for professional repairs. Bidirectional control. This OBD2 scanner can send commands to test vehicle functions like fuel pump activation or electronic parking brake retraction, enabling you to perform advanced diagnostics. User-friendly design. With support for English, Spanish, and French, the Innova 5610 works on most 1996 to 2023 vehicles. 2025 support coming soon. It's easy to operate, making it ideal for both beginners and experts. Use Innova's coverage checker to confirm compatibility. Reliable and cost-effective. Backed by ASE-certified support, this wireless OBD scanner pairs with the Repair Solutions 2 app for enhanced functionality. Enjoy free updates with no subscription fees, ensuring long-term reliability. The Innova 5610 is a must-have bidirectional scan tool, offering professional-level diagnostics, reset functions, and user-friendly operation. Whether you need to check engine codes or perform advanced system tests, this car scanner diagnostic tool provides an all-in-one solution for maintaining your vehicle. The next is Number 1. OBDLink MX Plus OBD-II Bluetooth Scanner. This OBD2 scanner is an advanced, professional-grade diagnostic tool that turns your smartphone, tablet, or PC into a powerful vehicle scanner. Compatible with iPhone, Android, and Windows, it provides deep insights into your vehicle's health and performance. Key features: multi-platform compatibility works seamlessly with iOS, Android, and Windows, providing flexibility for users. Recommended adapter fully supports Forscan, Torque, Bimmer Code, Dashcommand, Alpha OBD, Carista, and other popular diagnostic apps. Enhanced OEM support offers deep diagnostics for Ford, GM, Mazda, Nissan/Infiniti, Toyota, Lexus, Scion, Honda, Hyundai, and Kia vehicles. Comprehensive diagnostics clear the check engine light, access live parameters like ABS, SRS, TPMS, and diagnose system faults. Advanced protection equipped with over voltage and battery drain protection, ensuring safe and secure operation. Firmware updates keep the device up to date. Fuel economy tracking accurately measure and display fuel economy, helping users optimize vehicle performance. Convenient remote features supports remote start and lock/unlock doors on select vehicles for added convenience. Custom dashboards and HUD create a digital dashboard or a heads-up display to monitor vehicle data in real time. Buy used cars with confidence. Access key vehicle information to ensure a smart purchase decision. Comprehensive code reading. Read and erase both generic and manufacturer-specific stored and pending trouble codes. Emissions and freeze frame data. Access emissions readiness status and freeze frame information for better maintenance insights. The OBDLink MX Plus is an excellent choice for DIY car enthusiasts and professional mechanics, offering unparalleled diagnostic capabilities, convenience, and reliability. So this is the best option for you to buy.